This is video number 6 of the 9-part series that Willie and I are doing together. Together, of course, we are a new entity completely. We are called WilLory. He is my soul partner, and we have been enjoying doing these videos for you guys so much. So we did 3 series in total. There was a series with 3 videos, there's a series with 6 videos, and there is a series with 9 videos. This is this one, and again, we're on video number 6. So today, Willie is going to be walking you through a really good tool called the Happiness Traceability Chart. Anything that helps you to trace your vibe, your happiness level, your mood, all of that is really, really important. Because as you know, whatever frequency you're vibrating at, based on your mood and your emotions and your general feelings, that is what you'll be attracting more of. And good is always better. High is always better. High vibe. Let's keep it that way, guys. Okay, so we're gonna start monitoring it and watching how we feel and really paying attention, okay? That's called mindfulness. That's called being really deliberate, okay? And that's really, really important to live a really happy life that can be sustained and that lasts a long time. We don't want short-lived happiness. We want long-term happiness, okay, guys? There's no magic pill, but this is as close as you're gonna get. Okay, guys? I love you all so much, and now I'm gonna pass it off to Willie. Love you guys.
Thank you so much, Lori, for the introduction. Yes, we're going to evaluate on how to use the Happiness Self-assessment Traceability Chart that I have in my hands. However, you can download the digital version of the PDF or image file and edit it in your phone. As you may see here, it has 2 sections. The first section above is in extrinsic, so you can evaluate factors that are external factors influencing your happiness. And the chart below is intrinsic, or factors that are internal to your happiness. The extrinsic part are about health, family, spirituality, and possessions. So those 4 factors that are external that influence your happiness can be evaluated in 9 weeks. And in the chart below is body, mind, and spirit. What is your relationship between your mind, your body, and your spirit? And you can also evaluate that in 9 weeks. So I'm going to explain you this step by step how to do that. So here we have a scale from 0 to 10 in which you can evaluate how each one of these factors are influencing your happiness. For example, in health, let's say that you had an injury and you don't feel very well with your health. Then you can say, oh, I feel today maybe a 4. Okay, so this week you're in 4 and you place a dot here. How about family and friends? That you had a party, that you got a lot of fun and friends and family gather. It was you, oh, I'm super good with my family. Then you place a dot here. Let's say the spirituality, you're spiritually maybe aware of many things, but you don't feel that you have all the knowledge and that you're still have a lot to discover. So you say maybe a 7 for spirituality. There's areas of improvement. And now how about possessions? Let's say you have a job but you still don't have financial freedom. So you can say maybe an 8. I still want some things. Let's say a 6. And you can actually trace and quantify your happiness from external factors. Now you can do the same next week. Let's say that you recover from the injury and your health is at the maximum. Now let's say that your family is in good shape but you haven't talked to them too much, so it's down to 7 or 8. And then the next one, spirituality. You learn a lot about spirituality because of these videos. You're feeling like a 9. Great. And possessions, let's say that your possessions, you bought something new that you wanted and you feel that you're in a better state of being regarding material possessions. Now you can associate past week with the following week by tracing a line here. Now the family, you can see how it dropped, and here you can see how it goes. There you can do the same for those 9 weeks and create a chart, a trend line about your happiness, so you can quantify your happiness in time. And if you see, it uses the 369 series. It's 9 weeks. Here we have the three factors of our lives, or our trinity: body, mind, and spirit. For this one below, the intrinsic, you would do the same. Let's say that your body, you have a good relation with your body, you feel that your body is satisfied, but still there's something that is perhaps missing. perhaps some affection or something related to relationships. So you can say, okay, I'm 9, I feel good, but there's some area of improvement here. Let's say your mind is like water. If it is turbulent, it's difficult to see, but when it is calm and peaceful, everything is clear. So let's say that you have some turbulent beliefs or thoughts. Say yes, your mind is in 7. And the spirit, how's your connection to the source? How is your energy from a spiritual standpoint feeling? Let's say that your energy is here, and then you can go to the next week and do the same evaluation. Let's say that your body is in the best shape ever, and you have vitality and you have everything you need from a physiological standpoint, and your mind now is improving. Now the next one is spirituality. You're learning more, and you're doing yoga and meditations and following the 10 quantum commandments and doing periods of abstinence, and then you say, okay, my spirit is doing great. Now you can check the improvements in your body, in your mind, and your spirit. Then you have a trend line. That's the way you can do that for the following next weeks, and you will see the results. It is very effective. So this chart is super simple, effective, and it'll definitely make you happier. Just try it. Nothing to lose. It's just as simple as download it into your phone, and you can do the dots and the trends in your phone. You don't even need to print it. This is just like me. I like print things, but if you don't have a printer, if you feel that using the phone is better, just use your phone, and that works the same way. Just tell your subconscious mind how good it's doing in developing the happiness that you're pursuing. So that's our message for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Lori's channel is Lori Show, and my channel Entertainment Launcher. Hope you can enable the notification bell so you don't miss any of the following videos about happiness and prosperity and the law of attraction and the 369 and all the knowledge that we're delivering from the source directly. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful rest of the day.